The first herbal action you want to look for is an antispasmodic and Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while. I have had a really busy couple of weeks and a lot of things have been popping up, and then the past 2 days I have just been having video issues trying to film this intro for today's unboxing. So that was a horrible intro, but that's kind of what's been going on anyways. It is that time again for another monthly unboxing from Apothecary at Home, and this month's theme was womb wellness. So a few things about womb wellness before we get into the actual unboxing. I do want to go over a few herbal actions that you definitely want to look for. So I have my study guide here. The first herbal action you want to look for is an antispasmodic, and what that is an herb that will ease cramping and muscle cramping, cramping of the uterus, things like that. So a good herb, for example, would be red raspberry leaf, which they do recommend during pregnancy to drink. It is one of the safe herbs that doesn't have a contradiction with pregnancy that a lot of herbs tend to have. The next herbal action you want to look for is kind of the opposite of an antispasmodic, and I'm going to butcher the word because it's really hard to pronounce. I can sit and listen to it a few dozen times and still pronounce it wrong, but it is an ℕ𝕤𝕦𝕚𝕚. Yeah, but what that does is it stimulates or regulates delayed or stuck menstruation, so it kind of helps push it out. Yes, thank you, Spotlight News. The third herbal action you will want to look for is also another word that I butcher. I can hear it as many times as someone gives it to me, but it will still come out of my mouth wrong. But what it does is it actually helps promote and stimulate the production of breast milk. So it doesn't really focus solely on womb wellness, but more so the reproductive system as a whole. And that herbal action is called a ℚ𝕤𝕤𝕠𝕠𝕠𝕠. The next couple of herbal actions I will just name. I won't really go over them in depth, but is a nervine tonic, an herbal normalizer, a uterine astringent, and a uterine demaculant. Like always, I do recommend that you do further research, not only into the 3 that I did go into, but all the rest of them for womb wellness, just to get a more in-depth look and kind of broader range of herbs that you can look into. But with that information, I will go ahead and let you guys get into the unboxing, and I will see you when you return. For the month of April, our theme is womb wellness, and it does look like the month of May theme will be for energy and focus. If you would like to grab next month's box, you can get 15% off. Apothecary at Home is no longer doing that discount code, but I do now have a referral link for you guys, and I will put it in the description below. If you are new to my videos and interested in more unboxings or herbalism or even witchcraft, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to view more of my awkwardness. I did decide to do my nails for this video, but they are just press-ons from CVS, so don't be hating on me. First out of the box is the Loose Leaf Tea Company's tea for a healthy pregnancy, and it has organic peppermint, ginger, nettle, red raspberry leaf, chamomile, wild yam, and echinacea. As always, we get 2 maceration jars. The last 2 months we have been getting amber color, and I have been loving them. Next up, we have 2 muslin straining bags for straining our macerations at the end of our projects. And this month we did get 2 dropper bottles, so it looks like our 2 projects will be tinctures this month. This month's surprise gift was in collaboration with Wolf & Thyme. We did get the Goddess Bath Salts kit, and within the bag we got a handful of kiwi jasper stones, which were quite lovely. surprise item we got from them was a bath salt blend of Epsom and sea salt, clary sage, wild orange essential oil, organic rosebud, and chasteberry powder. As always, we did get 4 labels. This is to name and date our projects for the month. Following that, we did get our 2 hand-drawn prints from the owner's mother, Virgie. First up, we do have Vitex Agnes Castus, and that is chasteberry. And after that, we do have Rubus idaeus, which is red raspberry leaf. The company also provides a pack of seeds for an herb that we got in the box. This month it does look like black cohosh. So starting off, our first herb out of the box was 1 ounce of black cohosh. Medicinally, black cohosh is used to help with symptoms of menopause, PMS, and painful menstruation. Magically, black cohosh can be used for love, courage, and protection. The next herb we got was 2 ounces of chasteberry. Medicinally, you would want to use chasteberry to regulate your menstrual cycle, help with menopause symptoms, and some types of fertility issues. Magically, this can be used to enhance love and fertility. It was also used in festivals to honor the goddesses Demeter and Persephone. And finally, our last herb was 2 ounces of red raspberry leaf. Medicinally, red raspberry leaf is well known for its uses during pregnancy and just all around basic feminine care. Magically, red raspberry leaf is also known to promote love and fertility as well. Next, we just have the regular health disclaimer. If you want to pause and read, you can, elsewise you will get it in every box. Lastly, we did get a little pamphlet from the Wolf & Thyme company about the bath and salt kit that they provided and their social medias if you would like to check them out as well. And that is all we have for the Womb Wellness box. Alright, welcome back. So I hope you did enjoy that unboxing. Apothecary at Home did change their referral program. I will put it down in the description because I do not believe you need to use my code anymore, but again, like I said, I will put that down in the description for you to check out if you want to grab yourself a box with a discount. Like I said, I haven't been posting very often. I usually try to get a few videos out in a week, and I think from the time of me filming this, it's probably been about 2 weeks since I've even posted a video, let alone edited anything, though I do have videos lined up. I do have a video coming up kind of explaining exactly why, and I've just been really busy with other things. So if you are interested in catching why I've been kind of behind and what I have planned, go ahead and hit that subscribe button or bell if you have not already. But like always, I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!